What's inside a AA alkaline battery? We're going to find out. We'll cut through it with a hacksaw. Let's take a look here. Here it is, split apart. Here's a brass pin that conducts the electricity from the inside of the battery to the outside of the battery. If we scratch the pin, you can really see the yellow brass. Here's a close-up look of that pin. Here on the inside anoid, we have zinc powder right in here. The zinc powder is actually separated. You can see that we can actually pull out the zinc powder. There's actually a material on the outside that helps separate the zinc. I'll scrape the zinc away from the separator. You can see right here, looks like a cloth or a piece of paper right in here. I'll scrape off some more so you can really see it. The outer cathode here is manganese dioxide and carbon. We'll scrape some of the cathode away. We'll take it all the way to the metal can. Now you can see all the way to the outer can. The outer can is made out of steel. You can feel that the battery's moist. That's potassium hydroxide and water mixture. That's the electrolytes that allow the energy to flow through the battery. If you were wondering what was inside of an alkaline battery, well, now you know.